paano mo improve yung English communication skills mo para pumasa ka sa interview at makakuha ka ng magandang trabaho. So, ito yung 4 na mahalagang element ng communication skills. So, yung una ay comprehension, yung pangalawa ay expression. Yung comprehension is composed of reading tsaka listening. So, mag-search ka ng advice, how do you improve your English? Maririnig mong advice is magbasa ka ng English books, manood ka ng English movies, TV shows. Ito yun, comprehension. Mag-improve yung reading comprehension mo tsaka yung listening comprehension mo pag nanood ka at nagbasa ka. Ngayon, ito yung isa pang kailangan mong i-improve. Expression. Ito yung number 1 problema ng mga Pilipino. Hirap tayo i-express yung sarili natin sa English. So, ano yung activities ng expression? Dalawa lang, speaking tsaka writing. So, since dito ka mahina, ito yung kailangan mong practicein. Kailangan mong practicein na magsalita, speaking. Kailangan mong practicein na magsulat. Usually, pag sumasali sa tutorial session ko or group session, majority ng ginagawa namin ay speaking tsaka writing. Kasi meron kaming araw na inaayos namin yung grammar, sentence construction. Meron kaming araw na inaayos namin yung pronunciation tsaka yung how do you deliver your message. Anyway, ito muna. Kung nahihirapan kang makaintindi, reading tsaka listening. Kung nahihirapan kang makipag-usap, speaking tsaka writing. Bukas ulit.